Hello, everybody. If you are coming to this video, you probably would like to use the Grok models, and that's amazing. So if you look at the Grok models, we have Grok 3 Fast, Grok 4, Grok 3, Grok 4.20, Grok 4.20, multi-agent, Grok 3 Mini. So we have all these different models that we can use, and you are in the right place. If you are also looking for the Grok Imagine, like to create images and videos, we have that as well. So you can create images here, and then if you want, you can also create videos as well. You can change to Grok, and then you can use a Grok Imagine video, right? So the way to get access to all of these is that you need come to AI provider setup, and you need to provide your API keys. You can generate those API keys from Grok. I already have mine, but I'm going to show you how to generate one. So just sign in into your Grok account, and once you are there, go to the API key section, and then here you can create an API key. I'm going to say test API key, right? I'm gonna copy this key and I'm gonna delete this later. So, go ahead and try it. You never know. And then agree and save, right? And once the key is saved, you have the all these models available to you, right? You saw that the models were earlier grayed out. It was showing a key icon. That means it need a key. And let's go 4.2. I'm gonna I high, right? And like, hey, what's up? How are you doing today, sir? Tell me a good joke about SpaceX IPO. I mean, there's a funny model, I will say. SpaceX is the final stage of preparing a work as a recent was market over 250 billion in recent orders. All right, so we asked him, tell me about the SpaceX IPO, right? And then here's a clear and realistic take on the SpaceX IPO situation as of today. Valuation is 1.5 to 7.7 trillion. Good job opportunities if you're looking at a career. Okay. Would you like me to focus on how to position yourself to get one of these jobs, or just tell me what you're most interested in? Okay, so it did not give me a joke. Oh, good job. All right. No, tell me a joke about SpaceX IPO now. Okay, and why is the SpaceX IPO so confident? Because even before it launched, it already had to. All right. That's not an IPO. That's Elon just doing around selling subscription with this time on the stock market. Want another one? Yeah, sure. Uh, can you fetch me the current market sentiment from Grok AI, right? And let's see. I think it will be able to current key takeaways. Okay, can you get me latest tweets from X.AI, right? So it has connectivity to the back end of the. So Grok models are useful. They have availability or live access to the Grok to the whatever is happening on the X platform. Can you fetch me latest tweets from Elon, right? Let's see if it's okay. So yeah, I think it is not giving me the links. Please give the links as well, right? All right, so let's see. All right, so yeah, yes, that sounds perfect, right? So yeah, I mean the Grok models are amazing. No other provider you will see we have multiple providers, but no other model has that access to the live market. So that's pretty amazing. We have the code platforms as well. So let's say you want to code, you can add your. Let's say I can add this one. Can you? Let's start a new chat. Let's say, can you please code uh, an option strategy for this order book, right? So this is like an options book that I'll take a small, and let's see, I wanted to code some kind of strategy here. I'm going to change it back to Grok code fast, or I think I should give it a good chance. Let's try 4.2 or reasoning, right? Or did we try that the last time? What was last time? Or for non-leasing model. So yeah, the exchanges are always, so you're paying by the exchange, but per exchange over here, you're not paying it uh, for subscription wise. I mean, this platform is free. TensorPilot is free to download. 95% are free. If you want to support, please do buy the subscription as well. But the platform is 95% is free, and you will be able to see what is your usage, like when you send an input token and then you receive an output token as well. Uh, and then let's say you want to see your usage. So the best way to see your usage, so we provide it inside the dashboard, but it's a paid feature. However, you can go to the AI provider setup and click on this button over here. It's going to take you to the your XAI dashboard, and over there you can exactly see what's your 24-hour usage, what's your API keys, and so. But I would also recommend that you set up your limits over here, and then make sure that you have enough credits as well, right? So yeah, I mean, this is amazing. And yeah, I mean, the good thing is actually I keeps adding new and new things. So we try to keep up with the with their new models update. So for example, we will add the Grok 4.3 as well to the platform. So yeah, we try to have all these models available. And if you feel like something is missing, you can always reach out to us, and we will make sure that it's in there in in the system, right? Okay, let's see if let's go back to the. So we have code options. Okay, so it coded me a Black-Scholes. That's exactly what I wanted, and it looks pretty fucking awesome, to be honest. And so this is amazing. Like this, you have all these models available at your fingertips, right? And so if you are a hardcore Grok user, you just pay direct API billing. So we are not proxying the request for you. TensorPilot directly communicates. It installs on your desktop and it directly communicates with your API keys. So these API keys are stored on your keychain. If you can also see it over here, keys are encrypted in your system keychain and never leaves your device, right? So this is stored, and all your charts as well, whatever charts you have, they will be kind of stored in your, in your local DB as well. These are stored. These are not stored in cloud. You can have the option to store them in the cloud, but yeah, I don't like to have my. I mean, we make sure it's triply encrypted, right? We make sure that the cloud is very secure, and we also ask you for a password so that even if they leak out, nobody can decode it. So, but yeah, I mean, it's your personal choice. I do have a local. I keep things like a backups. So like everybody else. So I think you should do that too as well, right? Okay, let's try the Grok Imagine mode. So you can also create images or videos, right? So over here you are paying 20 USD per seconds, right? So let's see if you can use as a basic text to video. Okay, and we're gonna take this to go back. I'm gonna paste the prompt over here. Let's keep the video for at least 5 seconds, I believe, or like six. And you can click on generate. So the system would start generating the video for you. Meanwhile, we can come here and we can use the image as well. So let's see if we could watercolor, right? So Grok videos are also amazing. And the image, oh, that's pretty nice. I like it. Right. And okay, let's see one other one. Do. All right. And then if you want to go with a much better version, right? So let's say a night in a fox. And then yeah, I mean it looks pretty cool, right? Okay. I'm gonna try once more, see why it didn't work. All right. So yeah, I mean this is a much better one. Yeah, I mean, so the cost is different, right? This one is 7 cents and that one is 2 cents, right? And let's see if our video loaded. Okay. I mean, it's pretty amazing, right? All right. So yeah, we this is like all the Grok model. Like this, we try to provide you all the power of Grok in here, and Grok AI. And TensorPilot is like a local desktop. It's a vehicle for you to kind of use all these different models at your own convenience. You just pay. There's no subscription fee as such. I mean, you can choose to pay a pro subscription for us, but you pay directly to the API to Elon, and you just paid via your tokens, right? You just use the tokens and you pay directly. We do not charge anything on that. So that is TensorPilot. I hope you will try it. Do let me know if you have anything in the comments. I'll try to read all of them and respond. Thank you very much.